Discover cooking preparation verbs. Wash, wash. Wash or scrub fruits and vegetables under running water. Peel, peel. Peel sweet potatoes, cut in halves, slice or mash. Chop, chop. Chop the zucchini, squash, and bell pepper into bite-sized pieces. Slice, slice. After quartering the apple and peeling the core, slice the apples as needed for your pie. Dice, dice. Peel and dice the apple and place it in a small pan. Grate, grate. Chop the onion and grate the carrot. Mince, mince. I like to mince my meat thoroughly before adding it to soup. Rinse, rinse. Rinse the berries in cold water. Boil, boil. To soft boil a large egg, it usually takes 4 to 5 minutes. Steam, steam. My favorite way to cook healthy dishes is by gently steaming vegetables.